Hello there. Let's go through a quick walkthrough of how to integrate Jamf Safe Internet with Jamf School. Before we begin integration, first verify from Jamf account that you are able to log into both your Jamf School and Jamf Safe Internet portals. Select Solutions in the sidebar, and under Jamf School, select Open and choose your instance name. Log in with your Jamf ID if you weren't already, and then head back to Jamf account. Under Jamf Safe Internet, select View Details, and then click Log into your Safe Internet portal. If you are unable to log into either portal or do not see the product listed in Jamf account, please reach out to Jamf for assistance. After verifying both instances are correctly tied to our Jamf account, let's proceed with integration. Starting in Jamf School, navigate to Organization in the sidebar, then select Settings. Scroll down to Modules and select Safe Internet. Click Connect to kick off the integration process. On the back end, Jamf School is communicating with Jamf account and your Jamf Safe Internet instance to verify it is available for integration. Once complete, we'll see a green banner confirming the integration. If instead you see a red banner, the integration was not successful. At this point, please reach out to Jamf for assistance to troubleshoot the integration. After integration, Safe Internet payloads are now available in configuration profiles in Jamf School and ready to deploy to your enrolled devices. Check out the links in the description for a detailed walkthrough of that process. Thanks for watching.